So I moved a couple of months ago, and here we are in the new studio. This is like the drone corner, yeah. I've got my display here, you know, all my drones. I've got my logo here, like you should have, you know. And got this blackboard here with all the videos I still have to do. And this is just one corner of the room. I've got my camera here and the light, and over here is where I do all my paintings. So this is the other side of the studio. So it looks like this is my bench over there. And a beautiful view, but not today because it's really fucking misty. And it's been, this weather has been for weeks already. So anyway, this blackboard here, this is all the videos I'm going to do. It's all tutorials, and so I suggest you subscribe. So and hit that notification thingy there, and so you can see all those. You get notified when I make all those videos. Anyway, and also the thumbs up or thumbs down doesn't matter because YouTube likes them both. So, roll the intro. There's this pilot called Stacey Epshire, and he's doing a challenge. He's flying a pack a day in this. He calls it Pegsamber or something. He's flying a pack a day all the way through December, so it's like 31 packs. And it's a nice challenge, and I really wanted to take you up on that challenge. But I'm in the Netherlands, and it's fucking winter, and it's been raining for weeks, and now it looks like fucking this. Really fucking misty. By the way, this is a paint corner. This is where I record my videos for my painting channel, and if you're interested in my paintings, you can check out that channel. I will put it here somewhere, or somewhere. I put a link somewhere to my other channel. We've been ripping underground indoors, which look like this. So a pack a day is a bit difficult in December for us, but I suggest we do it in May and call it a pack a day May, and yeah, that would be for me a good time. So let's say we do it in May and call it the pack a day. Alright, with the video. Rates and camera angle. First, let's talk about the camera angle. Depending on your up tilt, your quad will be tilted like this, and this is the way to fly forward, of course. Otherwise, you go up, and the amount of up tilt determines the angle of you flying like this. So if I have like 15 degrees up tilt, so my angle is sort of like this. So it's not fast. I'm not going fast at all. When I'm racing in my race quad, my up tilt is 50 degrees. So that's like this. That's way faster. You can see my camera is pointing in front and the angle of my quad is like this, 50 degrees, really fast. So depending on your up tilt, it's also your speed. I use 15 degrees because for freestyle there's way more control and lower throttle also. It's easier to fly backwards. So for freestyle it's nice to have a low camera angle. Most people fly between, I know guys fly 0, so between 0 and 25, sort of. That's your camera angle. You have to check out which for you is the best, and if you fly freestyle, I think you should lower your camera up tilt. So everything is a little bit more easier to control. So let's talk about rates now. What are rates? Well, rates are the amount degrees your quad is spinning in any direction. It's a yaw or roll or pitch. The amount of rolls it does in a second. Say my quad is like 360 degrees rate, then it will turn 360 degree in a second. This is really slow. The second is pretty long. So the default in beta flight, I think, is around 600 and something, 627 or something, 47, I don't know. But that's a good default to start flying with. It's not too fast, it's not too slow, it's right in the middle. So when I started out, I went to 1000 degrees. And everything was really twitchy. And I didn't understand why it's so fucking twitchy all the time. Then after a year or something, I decided to lower my rates, and that made a lot of difference. So my rates now are 606. So it's lower than default. And yeah, for me that's just exactly the right rate. So if you're a beginner, don't go straight up to like 1000 or 1100, because it's not going to work. It's going to be very twitchy and very nervous, and you're not going to learn a lot from that. So try the default setting. The default setting is pretty good for starting out, and you can start from that point going up or down. Also, if you check in beta flight where your rates are, you can see that you can manipulate the curve of your sticks. Just experiment with it and try it out, and you will find your rates. It took me more than a year to find my rates. Let's talk a little bit about racing, because racing did a lot for me for my freestyle. When I started racing, my freestyle went way up there, way much better, way more precise, way more secure, self-assured. Yeah, racing helped me a lot. If you want to get better, start racing. It really helps. Check out your camera angle, up tilt. Play with it. The lower it is, the better for freestyle. The higher it is, the better for racing. Yeah, and check your rates. And thanks for watching my videos, and thanks for subscribing, and all of that shit. Alright guys.